Hello and welcome. Today we're going to tackle a classic geometry problem involving parallel lines in a reflex angle. Here's the question we'll be working through. Have a look at the diagram and the information we've been given. It says the line AB is parallel to the line CD. Angle BAE 40 degrees and angle DCE is 35 degrees. We need to calculate the reflex angle AEC. Alright, this looks a bit tricky at first, but there's a really neat trick we can use whenever we see this kind of shape wedged between two parallel lines. The secret is to draw a third line that's parallel to the other two, and passes right through the point let's call our new line FEG. By doing this, we can now use a rule you might know as Z angles, or more formally, alternate interior angles. When a line cuts across two parallel lines, the angles inside the Z shape are equal. Let's find the first one. Can you see the Z shape formed by the lines AB and our new line FG? This means angle BAE equal to angle AEF. Since angle BAE is 40 degrees, angle AEF must also be 40 degrees. Easy. Now for the bottom part. There is a right way Z here formed by line CD and FG. So, angle DCE is equal to angle CEF. Angle DCE is 35 degrees, which means angle CEF is also equal to 35 degrees. Brilliant! The full angle AEC is just these two parts we found, added together. So, angle AEC equals 40 degrees plus 35 degrees, which gives us 75 degrees. Now, hold on, it's really tempting to stop here and choose option B, but look closely at the question again. It's asking for the reflex angle AEC. A reflex angle is the larger angle around a point, the one that's more than 180 degrees. Remember, all the angles around a single point add up to 360 degrees. So, to find our reflex angle, we just need to subtract the 75-degree angle we found from 360 degrees. Reflex angle AEC equals 360 minus 75, which is 285 degrees. And that's our final answer. Looking at the options, we can see the correct one is A. A quick word on the other wrong answers. Option C, 105 degrees, comes from mistakenly subtracting 75 from 180. Remember, angles around a point add to 360, not 180. Option D is just a simple subtraction error. Always double-check your calculations. So, to recap the key steps. 1. Draw an extra parallel line through the middle point. 2. Use Z angles to find the two parts of the smaller angle. 3. Add them together. And 4. Subtract from 360 to find the reflex angle. Brilliant work for following that through. Keep practicing these types of problems and they'll become second nature. You've got this.